Not in my office, but I just stumbled across a video of someone playing guitar. Let's have a listen. Always someone clapping. So, these chords, I don't speak this person's language, but I do speak music. This month on Accordion Love's premium workshops, we're talking about common chord progressions that are common across a variety of genres of music. This specific person is playing that chord progression. What does that mean? It means that if we're traveling in rural China and we have our accordion or guitar or recorder, any instrument, we should be able to just play along with this person. How cool. If you're interested in learning not just the theory of music, but how music works, how it's a common language, how to understand it so you don't need sheet music and you can play with people from all over the world, check out accordionlove.com.